Hey, what's happening? Yeah, I'm fucking tired of these fucking niggas disrespecting me. Like, really, I don't have time for your pussy ass niggas. Like, what the fuck? All y'all motherfucking niggas is catchy. Not ratchet, but catchy. Instead of put the R in ratchet, put the C in catchy. Because all the niggas are catchy. Like, really, I don't have time for these fucking niggas. You want to sit up there and play. And then talk about you ugly as shit. Yes, ugly as shit and fucking ratchet. Bitch ass nigga. Let me tell you something. I was never fucking ugly. I was always pretty, honey. What? Honey, I got my hair done. My hair, I was never ratchet. So if y'all think I'm ratchet, if y'all niggas think I'm fucking ugly, then why you how come the fuck you wanna talk to me then? Exactly. Like all y'all motherfucking niggas is catch it. Catch it, right? Y'all always wanna play with a female heart, like talking about, oh, I like that girl, she's my girlfriend and all that shit. And then they wanna go back to your motherfucking best friend, you call her your motherfucking sister. They wanna go back to her and tell her all different kind of shit. Talking about, yeah, I don't think that ugly bitch, that girl is fucking ugly as shit. She ugly and all that, this and the third, blase, blase. But then again, they're gonna be all in your motherfucking face, texting your phone and all that shit. Texting your phone, saying, baby, I love you. I never said that. You my girlfriend. I don't have time for that shit. Because you know why? I am fucking 20. Yeah. I'm a grown shit right now. Yeah. So I'm 20 years old. I'm on my fucking grown shit. Yeah. Anyway. I was never ugly. Because look at the swag. Never was ugly, honey. Never was ugly. Was I ugly? No. I don't think so. Like, you always call me ugly, like, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Skip fucking daddle, bitches ass niggas. All y'all can skip motherfucking daddle. If y'all don't fucking like me, then oh fucking well. Skip the fuck down somewhere. Cause I was never pretty. I have nice, pretty ass lips. Mwah. Exactly, I shouldn't have to do. Well, anyway. Yes! Like, niggas really do want to play. Like, they really do. Like, I don't know how time for these niggas. Anyway, yeah. Like, if that person said that you're not your girlfriend, and they say that your best friend looks better than you, and I look righteous, I don't look righteous. Okay? These niggas is catchy. Like, catchy. I was never catchy. Like, really? But